Hi guys. So if you ever wondered, is it really worth it bidding on your brand name, either on sponsored brands or sponsored products? There is actually a tool inside Amazon's Campaign Manager where you can see week over week, even on a daily basis, if the competitors are stealing the market share from you and are they even winning the sales. To get to that report, just navigate on the left and under Insights and Planning, select Brand Impression Share. In my previous video, I covered brand metrics too, so be sure to check that one too. Now we move on to brand impression share. What we have here is that you can select your date range. Here I've selected the last 7 days, but you can also go day by day on the daily basis to see how you are improving or not. And you can see here that for all ad products, we are having 80.54% of top of search results. So that's most of the time. And there is a breakdown of sponsored products versus sponsored brands. And you have these little tips here, like ads from other advertisers show up only 4%. So it's the remaining up to 100%. So competitors for sponsored products are only taking 5% of top of search results for this brand. But for sponsored brands, we are only hitting 51% of top of search impressions. Then when you move down, you will see also a breakdown of how that looks when you select all ad products or as a breakdown of sponsored products and sponsored brands. It's useful to see, depending on what his strategy was, how the performance was shifting. So when you select sponsored products, you can see like last top of search clicks in the last 7 days and last top of search orders in last 2 days and the value. So they actually track like how if people actually went to visit the other brand after they searched for your brand. So that's very important. You can see if you're losing there or not. And you can see the performance over time for sponsored products because we have 95% of top of search impression share. We're not losing much. But for sponsored products, you can see that performance over time. This is 51% in the last 7 days, but you can see that we were down to 18 and 6 before Prime Day, and then on Prime Day we went up to around 85%. Most of the time we are in the top positions, but because of the certain strategy and budget limitations, we were limiting that in the past. I think it's pretty good data, because people talk all the time, should you bid on your branded keywords or not? And this will give you information like, is it worth it to have people buying your competitor products when they were after your products and search to your brand? So it's something that you really need to be aware of and increase that if you see that lost sales are piling up over here. So make sure that your team is checking this like every 2 weeks or at least once a month and adjust accordingly your ad budget for your branded terms. Stay tuned for more videos and follow me. Bye bye.